Your next car could be the 2023 Honda Ridgeline. This Ridgeline takes a thoughtful approach to meeting the demands of your active lifestyle. You'll love its rugged capability, smooth ride, and easy handling, as well as its clever cargo and entertainment solutions and customizable all-weather driving modes. It's a hard-working pickup truck that's anything but ordinary. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, keyless entry, moonroof, heated mirrors, backup camera, premium sound system, satellite radio, power passenger seat. Feel the freedom of the unconventional and the delight of the extraordinary. Come in today and test drive this Honda Ridgeline.